Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the haddock in Heartopia. This fish has a really unique shape like this, and it has a unique color, like with the purple color like this. And to catch it, you just go to the sea at the sunny or rainbow, and it spawns almost all time except the time from 6 a.m. until 12 p.m. So just avoid this time. So just go to the HC. The locations on the map is on here. This one, just go to this area at the sunny or rainbow. And then if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use with attractor to attract more rare fish. And then you can also use mermaid perfume to make you easier when you catch this fish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.